Okay, this one is a celebration video because the surprise is that I am officially done going through the entire Bible. When this Bible study, I started in Acts, went through the whole New Testament, came back, did the Old Testament. I started in a certain spot and finished doing everything else that was left. So I've done it all. And so I'm done with that. So I won't be going over the same things again. I mean, the video library is there as an archive, so everything is there. And I've covered extra topics as well that were relevant topics, that anything I could think of or that came to me, I went over it. And going forward, I will do videos as things come up. If I feel led to make a certain video, talk about a certain thing, something just comes to me, or I realize this is important, then I will make a topical video to talk about that, which will, of course, include things in the Bible to some way, to some extent, depending on what it is. But what I want to do now is I want to do a question and answer series if it's needed. So I want to open this up to that and just ask if anybody in the audience has any questions. So if you are wondering about anything, or maybe you just can't find it in the video library or anything like that, but you just have a question about anything concerning the faith, then just put it in the comment section, and I'll just do a separate video to answer each question. So that's what I'm going to do about any questions. And if you want to hear more about a certain topic, or you just want more information about it, then mention that as well, and I can do that too. So I'm open to anything at this point because I'm officially done. Let me see here. What else was I gonna say? Oh, and you can always, if nobody asks anything now, as I make more videos over time, like, you can always ask a question in any of the comment sections, and I would get to that in the same way. So, and it doesn't matter what Bible topic it's about, okay, or anything like anything regarding just Christianity related to what's going on in other things in the world, or other, like cults, for instance. If you have questions, then just ask anything, and that will be it for that. But also, I wanted to mention, in case people don't know how to do this, if you wanted to start your own YouTube channel, or if you just want to make a comment and you don't know how to do that, I just want to share how that can be done. Okay, so the first thing you would have to do, and I'm not going to demonstrate this. I would, but it's going to be too complicated with all the equipment. So, like, if you just go to, the best way is on a computer, like a laptop or any kind of computer. Go to the internet and go to the Google page, and you can create a Google account, and you can be anonymous. Okay, so you go up to the spot where it says Gmail and click on that, and there'll be a thing. Eventually it drops down, it says create account. So you click on that, and you end up just answering some basic questions. Nobody verifies anything. Use a pet name, be anonymous, and then create the account that way, and you'll get a Google account, and then you can get email through your Google account. So it works in that way, but it also works You can make comments on the internet, and you can make on websites or anything, and you can make comments on YouTube. It joins that way with YouTube because it's connected. So once you go to YouTube and you click in the comment section, you can just, from your Google account, you can make a comment, any comment, question, and you'll see how it goes as you roll along. And it's pretty easy, but you might have to get used to it a little. But you hit comment, and then it will post a comment or question. And if you want to make a channel, you just go up to there's a little avatar at the top right. You can add an image, like a photo of something if you want. And there's an option for creating your own channel. And you kind of automatically get it. You get one, but you can go to it and start customizing it and making it your own if you wanted to do that. You don't have to, though. You can still leave a comment and never do this. That's fine. Just if you wanted to start one, that's what you can do. And if you want to know more about how to navigate around in making your channel and having it rolling, there are plenty of videos on YouTube that explain that, and that's what I had to do to find out and learn all these little things. So it's totally doable, and I don't want to say more than that because it changes. The information is updated pretty much because they update things regularly. So I always look for the most current information, like within the last 6 months, definitely not older than 1 year because it might be outdated already. And then you can learn how to create and grow your own channel that way. That's the best advice I have for that. So that's what you can do if you want to do that. So that's it. So this way, just in case somebody's new, doesn't know, you didn't know, and you want to leave a comment or question, that's how you can do it. But okay, so I will just leave this video up for that purpose, so you can ask any questions you want to ask, and I will address each question, answer each one in a separate video for each one. Okay, and that's it for now. So God bless you, and may you continue to grow and walk in the faith. And for now, that's it. I'll talk later. Okay, take care.